Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to jump on here real quick and do a quick shout out and review video for a new company, but that's been there for a while, if that makes sense. If it don't make sense, I'll explain. If you guys remember OakCliff Beard Co, you guys know Jesus, really nice guy, super friendly. He had that beard company that was called OakCliff. If you guys know him, then you know that he just did a rebranding, like total flip-flop, everything rebranded, brand new names, brand new meaning. He sent me out a couple oils to review real quick for you guys. First thing I want to show you guys is his new stickers. Get that colorful rainbow type look. And I want to point out the logo is absolutely amazing. Jesus, you did an amazing job on this. And he wrote me a little note. Let's see. It says, "Hey Patrick, thanks for working with me again under this new brand. I thank you very much. I hope that you enjoy it." Thank you, Jesus. I really appreciate it, brother. One thing about doing these videos, guys, is you develop a relationship with these company owners, and 9 times out of 10 they're good relationships where you guys can communicate. They want reviews done. You know, I'm all about that. This is what I wanted to do, and so far I've been successful, and I'm very thankful and humbled by everybody that's ever sent anything to me in this channel. So I really appreciate that. But anyway, I'm rambling. Jesus sent me out a couple of his new oils. The one, I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. Total. I'm not even going to say it. I'm just going to show you guys. I don't know how to say that name, but it is man, the scent on this is just magical. It's super duper good. The ingredients is hemp seed oil, sweet almond oil, kukui nut, avocado, rosehip oil, aloe extract, vitamin E, and FOEO blend. And the scent profile is Mexican vanilla, cocoa, and vetiver or vetiver. Oh, and the sweetness from this scent, oh my goodness. You get hints of the vetiver, however you want to guys say it. The cocoa is like reminisce, you know what I mean? Or however you say that word. Good Lord, that's a good smell. As always, his oil is a little on the thicker side, not too thick, but it's got a nice golden hue to it. And as always, his products always went good in my beard, especially his butter, which I plan on getting a couple of tubs of his butter and trying to go along with the oil. Amazing in beard feel, just all around great products. He's always made good products. He's rebranded, and they're still killer. That's all I can say. The next one real quick for you guys is called the Classico. I think I can say that. Classico. And this is, I think he said this reminded him of an old barbershop that he used to go to. And the scents in this are citrus, bay rum, amber, oud, and cologne. And the scent you get when you open the bottle, of course you're going to get that oud, because oud is probably the most dominant scent in this. Oh man, you get hints of that bay rum, that amber and oud. You know, that's a really good smell alone together, and you just take all 4 of them and put together, and you got yourself a nice it's a good strong scented cologne type scent profile. I like the fact that the bay rum kind of pokes its head out of there, because my very first beard oil I ever had was bay rum, and I'll always hold that near and dear to my heart. Of course, I know I'm getting a little mushy, but I'll always like bay rum. Again, absolutely amazing smell, in beard feel amazing, soft as can be. As always, Jesus, thank you, brother, for sending these out. I appreciate it. I look forward to purchasing a couple butters from you and reviewing those as well. Guys, I'll leave everything in the links below. Help out Jesus. He's a good guy. He's like a big teddy bear. He's always here to talk to. I've been talking to him for almost a year, I want to say. Just an all-around good guy. Thank you guys for sticking around for the review. I appreciate it. If you like the review, hit that thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed, consider hitting that subscribe button. Until the next review, guys, peace.